its security to home directory, users home directory. Uh, if you want, you can modify this file based upon your requirement. You can modify parts and whatever you want, Okay. Now you know about who is the command to show the currently logged in users. Okay, where this information is taken from. These informations are actually stored in AIX UTMP. This is a binary file, so if you say cat AIX UTMP, it will not work. To view the contents of AIX UTMP, you need to use a command called who, and okay, and there is one more binary file called var_adm_wtmp. This file stores the login and logout timing for all the users. It's a login and logout times for all the users. So this file is again a binary file. So to view this file, you need to use a command called last. Okay, excuse me. Says it even shows you the reboot timing, shutdown timings, and who logged at what time from which IP address. See over here it says reboot happened on December 31st, 1953, and root logged in through TTY0, that is your console, uh, at July 28, 2320, and key logged out at 2323. Okay, here see root logged in from this host at July 31st, 1234, and still he is logged in. Okay, to find out like when the system was rebooted, you just say last reboot, or when it was shut down, say last shutdown, to find out for a find the login and logout times for a particular user, say the user ID. Okay, these things are actually taken from uh, var_adm wtmp. Okay, if we null this file, I am going to nullify this file. Okay, this file is of 0 bytes. Now if I say last, it will not show anything because nothing is there in the file. Okay, this is how you basically monitor the users and manage the users and groups. There is one more command called finger to show the basic information about a particular user. Just says the login name, directory, shell. Okay, it's a file called login.cfg. This file basically contains the login parameters like max login timeout, like number of seconds the user is given to enter their password. If I say by default a login timeout is 60, that is once you type your user ID while logging in, the system will wait for 60 seconds to receive the password. If you don't type the password within 60 seconds, it will say login timeout, and again it will ask for a user ID. Max logins 32,767. The maximum number of simultaneous logins allowed in the system. So as a user called Raja, I cannot log in more than 32,767 times. And these are the shells available in the system. So Bourne shell, this I don't know, C shell, corn shell, this or something. I don't remember all these things, but yeah, these are shells available in the system. Authentication type is standard authentications, that is, it happens to the password. Okay. The file called login.cfg is used for the login attributes. And there is one more file called motd. I normally call it as message of the day. This contains a message that is displayed when you log into the system. Okay, it's better to remember as message of the day. Normally it contains the message to be displayed every time a user logs into the system. You can say like welcome to the company name or something like that. You can give some security warning that only authorized users should log into the system. It depends upon your need. Normally in big environments, big corporates, they have a standard MOTD value, so they just put it on all the systems. This is how you manage your users groups. You can always use SMITI if you don't remember the syntax, or if you want to know the syntax, you can say SMITI. Not a SMITI. It's a man page. You can go into the man page and see the syntax. There will be example given at the end of the man page. Should be an example. Okay, here see like there are 4 examples given for NK users man page. So just by reading all these things, we'll come to know about the syntaxes. Anyhow, keep reading. Let's talk in the next chapter. Bye bye.